Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl good. If you are new here, you're welcome. And if you've been supporting me from day one, you guys are highly welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is an unboxing video. You guys know how much I love unboxing. Oh god. So I got a vanity mirror from Amazon. Like, it's one of the best vanity mirror that I got, because I'm trying to have a vanity mirror here and a dressing table over here in my bedroom, or try to put some, I don't know, probably put it here or put it in the, because I have a corner in the living room that I just want to do something really cute there. But anyway, that's by the way, because I'm going to show you guys how setting that up. So today I'm going to unbox the vanity mirror for you guys, and one thing that I am so excited, I'm so excited about with this, and one thing I'm super excited about with this vanity mirror is that it has Bluetooth. So I'll be able to listen to my favorite song while I'm beating my face, while I'm glamming up. So anyways, let's just leave the whole story. Let's get right into the video. Guys, I'm having my iced coffee because my tongue is still healing and I need ice just to help it, you know. So that's why I'm having this. I know I'm supposed to take hot coffee because it's winter, but I'm taking iced coffee. Homemade iced coffee. Let's get right into the video. Okay. So here is the vanity mirror. Guys, I tried as much as I can not to unbox this behind you guys. So let's just start. Okay. Guys, wait. Let me see what I can do. So let's unbox. So guys, yeah, this is it. This is the part that it has where you are going to plug it to the adapter, and it has a charging port over here, right? While glamming up, you can be charging your phone. And this button here, this is for, you have to turn it off and put this, the light will come up. And this is the Bluetooth. Really? And I think this is for the volume, or if you double click, it's going to next, or it's going to back, right? Okay.
Lydia Stanley.
Oh gosh. Anyways, so I think basically, and it has a speaker behind here. I don't know if we can see that. Yeah, it has a speaker. The speaker is here, both speakers are here. So that is just pretty much about it. So that's it. Okay. Oh yeah. Anyway guys, so I'm going to be updating you guys on how I set the mirror and the dressing table up later on, because I already ordered for the dressing table and it's actually here. To be honest, I have it here already. It's just that I don't have time today to set it up, but I think by weekend I'm going to set it up and I'll film it as well, and then I would put it somewhere here. And pretty much it's about today's video. I just wanted to show you guys this lighting. It's so cute and I'm so happy about the Bluetooth speaker. Oh, I'm so happy about that. I'm so happy about that because I've tried to, you know, I saw some on Amazon which doesn't have the speaker and was the same price, and I felt like, why can't I get the one with Bluetooth? Because me, I love music so much, especially when you're doing your makeup. So I'm gonna leave the link below in the description box so you guys can check it out if you want something like this in your room. And to be honest, it's not that big, it's kind of very small. And this will fit in so well in your room, small space. And one thing I forgot to tell you guys, you can actually make this thing stand, like by placing it on the wall, or if you want it to stand, this is a stand that it came with. You just place this on the bottom part and leave it here to sit. So it came also with this nail, and what is this one called? I don't know. So that's it. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys when I set all of this up. So you guys let me know if you want to see me setting it up, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.